In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how to make crispy chicken wings, and guess what? We're using an air fryer. Listen, I was a little skeptical in the beginning about how's this going to work and not using no grease. I watched a lot of videos, seen other people do it, so I went out and purchased an air fryer. You know what? To just try it and do it myself. This is going to show you how I did it, but I got to tell you this. I don't want to call this really a spoiler alert because you can read the title. Listen, it does work. Let me go ahead and break into the rating system. On this one right here, I know these are low numbers. A guy has his own channel, his name is Meathead. He asked a hard question. He asked me, when am I going to make something, with a higher number, like maybe a 10 or a 9. And he also asked me, what do I consider that, what will be a 10 or a 9. Meathead, I got something for you, buddy. So to go ahead and give this a number, I'm going to go ahead and use my rating system. My rating system works like this, from 1 to 10, 10 being the most difficult. We're going to go ahead and give this a 3 or a 4. Let's go with a 3. This is easy. You batter your chicken. Once you put your flour and your seasoning on it, you put it in the air fryer. Once it's in the air fryer, you set it. You come back after halfway cooking it. You look at it, spray some cooking oil on the spots that has the flour on there that didn't all the way cook. Then you can rotate it over, put it back in for the remainder of the time, and let it be. So in 20 minutes, you got crispy chicken wings. It's just like going out and buying it at a fast food restaurant. And when I say crispy, I mean crispy. So with no further ado, let's get it in.